Hello sweet friends and crafters, welcome to Carol's Craft Cottage. I have another tutorial for you today for some more junk journal embellishments. We are winding down towards the last of the series. I have a few more tutorials to show you the embellishments that I had revealed in the chunky junk journal. So I'm going to be teaching you some more of these embellishments so you can complete your junk journal. So today we're going to be doing this little corner pocket, and I'll bring in the chunky journal to show you this piece right here. This is what we are going to be creating. It is a corner pocket to put some tags in. So let me go ahead and remove this and get down to business. So you can see here that I have them going one way and another way. So this one would go onto a right hand side page, and this one would go on the left hand side page. Let me go ahead and show you the die. I'm going to leave a link to the die in the description box below to make it easier for you to get this. And you can see here that it comes with the piece that makes the pocket, and then you get 3 embellishment pieces with it that matches it, and they do have the stitched edging on it. So let me go ahead and show you what you can do. So you can do it this way. I did leave some of my pockets open. You can leave this open so that you can put something here and something here as well in the back on your page. So I did leave them open to do that. So this is my left hand page. This is my right hand page. And of course I did leave this one open as well. And then I wanted to show you what this would look like if you did the 3 embellishments onto the corner pocket. So here I have a couple tags from the Cottage Girls Junk Journal kit. I did use one of the flowers from the pages that has the Cottage Girls Fussy cuts to embellish this first little pocket, and I just put them in here. And then you have a second pocket, and I made a little tag out of this from the junk journal kit, and that slides in here. And then you do get some tags like this in the kit. So I have 3 little tags in here. And then once you put this in your junk journal, you also have a pocket in the back for larger tags. So you can really fill it up, and it doesn't take a lot of room in your junk journal. It's pretty flat. So I'm going to teach you how to make the small one with the girl on it, but you can do this as well. All you have to do is just cut the 3 pieces to embellish the pocket, and make sure that you just glue the 2 sides, one on top of the other, to create this one. So let's go ahead and do that. So I have made 2 pockets for each journal because I have 3 small junk journals to complete. So it comes with the pocket that has score line. And to attach this in your junk journal, you are going to put glue here and here, or you can use score tape as well to put it inside your junk journal to create your pocket. And it looks so pretty. I love this die for that. So decide how you want to put this. You want it in a left-hand page, and then you could turn it this way for a right-hand page. So I need one for a left-hand page because I already have my right-hand pages. So what we have here is my embellishment piece, and you can see that I already went around the edge with my distress inks. So I'm going to leave a pocket in here in case I want to put some tags. So I will not put glue on the scalloped edge. I'm only going to put it on the 2 sides That way I have created another pocket on this embellishment piece. And I'm going to center it like that, about 1/4 of an inch from the bottom and the side. And like I said, this is open as another pocket besides the back once you get this inside your junk journal. And here I used a little scalloped die that I have to go ahead and decorate this. And I'm going to put this in the center like this. And then I have my little Cottage Cuts girl, not Cottage Cuts, Cottage Girl. Got Cottage Cuts on the brain. So I'm going to glue her in the center. And this is a small girl from the Fussy Cut Girls. This is the first page in the file, the smaller girls. And they all happen to be just perfect for embellishing all these little things that we've been making. There she is. And we're going to put some distress ink on this word happiness. And I have links to all the junk journal kits that I've used in the description box below as well. And then we're just going to put it, I think we're going to try to slip this under a little bit. Just like that. All right, and now I am going to put a few little diamond dots on here. I'm going to use pink ones this time. Whoops. I'm going to pick those up, the ones I spilled. So I can tell you that when I do my smaller junk journals, I won't be gone for so long because I have created all the embellishments. So all I have to do is actually put them inside my books and do my covers, and I'll be back quicker than I was the last time. All right, so now that I have that on there, I've got one that's a little out of line here. And using this glue gives me a few extra minutes to get them straight. And what I like to do is put some diamond stickles on her flowers because I like that little extra sparkle. And the flowers in her hand. All right, it's giving me trouble right now. It's not coming out. Here we go. Okay, that is ready to go into my junk journal. And the next time you'll see this will be in the smaller junk journals. So thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you found this tutorial helpful in your junk journal journey with me. And until next time, remember to sprinkle kindness like confetti wherever you go. And until the next video, happy crafting. Bye-bye.